I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a truly delicious gravy, inspired by Jamie Oliver's method. First, prepare your flavor base by roughly chopping 2 onions, 2 carrots, 2 celery sticks, and 2 rashers of smoked streaky bacon. Place these into a sturdy roasting tray with fresh bay leaves, sage, rosemary, and 2-star anise. Add 10 free-range chicken wings, bashed to release more flavor. Drizzle with olive oil, season, and roast in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour until everything is tender and golden. Once roasted, move your tray to the hob over a low heat. Now, really get in there and mash everything together with a potato masher, scraping up all those wonderful caramelized bits from the bottom of the tray. This step is crucial for extracting deep flavors. If you like, add 60 milliliters of sherry or port and let it cook down for a couple of minutes. Then, gradually stir in 4 tablespoons of plain flour, mixing it well into the mashed ingredients to form a flavorful roux. Next, carefully pour in 2 liters of boiling water, stirring constantly to ensure a smooth consistency and avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 30 minutes, or until it has reduced and thickened to your liking. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Finally, pour the gravy through a coarse sieve into a clean bowl, using the back of a spoon to push all the delicious liquid through, leaving behind the solids. Now taste your beautiful gravy and season it to perfection. For an extra boost of flavor, incorporate any delicious resting juices from your cooked meat. You can also stir in 2 tablespoons of cranberry sauce to add a lovely balance of sweetness and tang. Your rich, homemade gravy is now ready to serve. If you've made it ahead, simply cool it to room temperature, then store it in containers in the fridge or freezer until you're ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.